In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a blog on your Weebly website and arrange its layout effectively. Whether you're new to Weebly or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process to get your blog looking just right in no time. To get started, head over to Weebly by visiting their free website builder page that you can find online. Once you're there, click on the login button at the top to access your account. If you haven't yet created one, make sure to sign up to begin. After clicking login, type your email address in the designated field and then click next. You'll then be prompted to enter your password. Once that's done, simply click login. Now that you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the overview page in Weebly. From here, locate the option that says edit site and click on it. This will take you into the main editing interface of Weebly, where you can begin customizing your blog. Navigate to the menu on the left hand side and click on build. This section is where you can manage the content and features of your blog. Click on the blogs page from the options available. Here, you'll need to scroll down to the bottom until you spot the blog settings. It's time to make some adjustments which will allow you to control elements like blog layout, the number of posts per page, and more. Explore the drop-down menus available in the settings area to tweak each option according to your preference. Once you're satisfied with the changes, be sure to click Save to confirm them. Next, move on to the Pages section in the editor to return to your blog page. On this page, look for the New Post button and give it a click. Starting a new blog post is straightforward. Begin by typing in your blog post's title in the provided space. Then, if you wish to add visual elements, click and drag an image block into your post. This is a great way to enhance your content and make it more engaging. After dropping the image block, you can upload images that complement your text. Similarly, if you need to add textual content, click and drag a text block into place. Feel free to type in the content of your blog post here. While crafting your post, consider adjusting the layout to best display your information. Furthermore, you can enhance your post by uploading additional images, adding a read more break block to improve post navigability, and even including multimedia by dragging in a YouTube block if you wish to share video content. Finally, once you're pleased with how everything looks, click on Post to publish your new blog entry, and there you have it. By following these steps, you've not only set up a blog on Weebly but customized it to fit your unique style. Happy blogging!